Greetings, everyone. My name is Carlos Joel Santiago Velázquez from the Pedagogy Department, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm 18 years old. I was born on November the 5th of 2002, and I live in San Juan, Puerto Rico. When I was little, I was diagnosed with autism. Before coming to the University of Puerto Rico of Bayamón Precinct, I've been studying in Colegio Beato Carlos Manuel Rodriguez for almost 6 years. Since August of 2015, I've been giving my all up until my high school graduation on May of 2021. Right now, I'm doing a major in preschooler and elementary education. During my entire life, I accomplished many things. Some of the most important things I've ever accomplished were becoming one of the students of the year of 2011, graduating with high honors from elementary, middle, and high school, participating in the Regional Science Fair on 2019, and in the Olympic Math Test from both 2018 and 2019, and winning the Academic Excellence Award on middle school graduation and the Valedictorian Award on high school graduation. Some of my interests and talents is my ability to do math. I believe I'm pretty good with math. The ability to quickly understand any math topic was admired by my classmates and teachers. That's why the Mathletes team offered me to join them. My goals? That's a really interesting question. I believe I'm a person that likes to take things slowly. So for now, my temporary goal is to graduate from college with excellent grades. As my long-term goals, I would like to become a teacher. I would like to help with the education of the next generation of humans, become a better leader, and become an inspiration for them. To show them that it doesn't matter the condition you have, you can always accomplish what you want. For me, a condition isn't a limitation or something to be ashamed of. I believe a condition is what makes you special and unique. Thanks for your attention.